Hey geeks, if you're using the 6K Open Gate feature on your Panasonic S5 or S5 IIX for the very first time and you're wondering, am I in frame, especially if you're shooting a vertical video in the 9:16 aspect ratio? Well, I'm going to show you a really great feature inside your camera that will allow you to frame your shots correctly, so then you don't have to worry about that as you are shooting your video. Okay, so here's how you could set up this frame feature, and this is super important because right now by default you don't see anything, you just see the whole screen. So all you have to do is go here to your menu and then go to this gear icon, and then under the monitor display video, under the second option right here, you scroll down, you see an option called frame marker. Right now it's off. If you go ahead and go into that, you can go ahead and go set first, and this is where you could set your aspect ratio. There are a lot of different aspect ratios available, and the one that I'm going to use is for 9:16. This is for a vertical video, so we'll choose that. And then you could also choose the frame color. I choose green. And you could also set a frame mask so you could kind of see it stand out, and you see what I mean. And we'll go ahead and go back, and then I'll go ahead and turn this on. Now it's on. If we go back, now you could see an actual frame marker for that aspect ratio. And then that opacity is set at 25%, so it does stick out. So whenever you're shooting your videos in 6K Open Gate, it's really easy for you to be able to tell whether or not you are in frame, so you don't have to worry about that. And let me show you how 16:9 looks like, because a lot of people don't realize, and I didn't realize this, that you're always going to get a crop on your cameras unless you're using Open Gate. So you can see there, 16:9, it definitely has a crop on the full frame sensor. And so that's how you would set this frame markers. I think this is a really important setting, and it allows you to easily tell whether or not you are in frame. And it's going to save you a lot of time whenever you bring this into your video editor, because now you don't actually have to change things in terms of your composition and where things are framed. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you do this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my camera tutorials, tips, and tricks, I do have entire playlists. I'll leave that in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.